Hello dear students, welcome back to your English class, and today we are going to do a poem, The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound. Okay, so this poem is about a robin. Robin means a little brown bird with red chest. Okay, we can see in this picture also, this is a robin. Okay, and a child. So this poem is about a bird robin and a small child who learns to look at nature and enjoy its beauty. So nature means nature like trees, like birds, like mountains, rivers, flowers. These all the things are made of nature. So the child is trying to look at the nature and trying to enjoy its beauty. So let's start our poem. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop, I always look around. The robin makes a laughing sound. The boy is saying that it's like seeing that robin is making a laughing sound. We all know that birds sing very well, very sweetly they sing. Okay, so here also the boy is saying that it seems like robin is making a laughing sound. It makes me stop and looks around. And that laughing sound, when I hear that laughing sound, it makes me stop. I stop after hearing that sound and look around to see that from where that sound is coming. To see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of tree. To see just what the robin sees. We can see in this picture that bird and boy are looking to each other. Okay, so the boy is saying that I am trying to see the things which the robin is seeing there. Okay, fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. Twig, small thin branches of a tree. So fresh new leaves on twigs of trees. The robin is watching over the new leaves on twigs of trees. So I am also trying to see that. A strong high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. A strong high branch on which to rest. The boy is saying that the robin is trying to find out a place to make his nest, to hold his nest. A safe dry ledge to hold its nest. Ledge, a narrow surface on the side of a wall or window. So that bird is trying to find out a place on the side of a window. Okay. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop, I always look around. The robin is making a laughing sound. He is singing like it seems like robin is laughing, and I stop. That laugh, that sound of laugh make me stop. That sound of singing is make me stop, and I always look around to see that robin. So this is the poem. Now we will do the exercise and word meaning. Now we will read aloud these word meaning together. Okay. Robin, R-O-B-I-N, robin. Robin means a small brown bird with a red chest. Next, twigs. T-W-I-G-S, twigs. Twigs means small thin branches of a tree. Next is ledge. L-E-D-G-E, ledge. Ledge means a narrow surface on the side of a wall or window. So these are the word meaning of this lesson. Now come to the next exercise. tick the correct options. Okay, one statement is given here and 3 options are also given here. We have to tick the correct one. So first is the poem tells us about number 1, a boy and a parrot, B, a child and a robin, and C, a robin and its family. So the correct option is B, a child and a robin. The next question is the child A stops and look around, B walks in a park, C catches birds. So the right answer is the child stops and looks around. Number 3, the robin looks for a high branch to A enjoy nature, B make a nest, or C take rest. So the right answer is take rest, because the robin was looking for a high branch to taking rest, and for making nest he was looking for a ledge. So the right answer C is the right answer. So these are the exercise of this lesson. This is all about today. Thank you.